All right, y'all, welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be doing something different. I got 3-ingredient fruit punch. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, welcome back to the video. So this is going to be a short video. I'm just trying to show you guys how I make my 3-ingredients fruit punch. It's the summertime, so I know y'all grilling, y'all want something to drink. This is also a good holiday punch also. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. I went ahead and made my Kool-Aid. It's just 2 packs of cherry Kool-Aid, and I put 3.5 cups of sugar in there. Some of y'all going to be like, man, that ain't enough sugar. Some of y'all going to say that's too much sugar. It fits perfectly for what I'm doing. You can put however much sugar you want to put in your Kool-Aid, but make sure you pick cherry flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and start. Go ahead and pour this in there. Then go ahead and get your ginger ale. I use Canada Dry. You can use whatever you like. All right, you want to go ahead and get your pineapple juice. This is 46 ounces. All together, this is like 1.88 gallons of punch. If you don't need that much, you can shorten all these in half. You can make a half a gallon of Kool-Aid. You can use a half a container of the pineapple juice, and you can use half a 2-liter. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. All right, y'all, that's all it is to it. Go ahead and get your cup. Go ahead and pour it in. Bam, that's it right there. 3-ingredient fruit punch for your grilling and your cooking for this summer. Hey, thank me later. Hey, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. Hey, it's time to drink.